For inserting at the middle of the linked list, first I have to check the condition whether the position where I want to insert is not equal to null. If the position is equal to 1, that means I need to insert at the head. So I will call the same function and I will return. Now suppose the position is not equal to 1, it is somewhere equal to 3 now. Let me suppose I want to insert the element at this third position. So for inserting the element at the third position, again the first step will remain the same. That is create a new node. So I will create a new node here. New node has been created. Suppose the memory address is 1000. So after creating this new node, second step is assigning the value to the data part here. So I will write here new node data is equal to value. So value is now assigned to the data part of the new node. So third step is linking. So for linking this new node to the linked list, I first need to traverse from the first element up to this element up till the point where I need to insert the new node, right? So now suppose the position where I want to insert is equal to 4 now. Let me take the position to be equal to 4. That means I need to insert the new element at the fourth position. First, second, third and fourth. So to insert the element at the fourth position, I first need to traverse all the elements from first up till the third element. To traverse, again I will take a new pointer variable here. In this particular case, I have taken the pointer variable to be equal to previous. So instead of previous, you can also write here temp. It is going to be the same thing. So this I will initialize the value of previous to be equal to head. Now both these pointer variables, head and previous, will point to the first element in the linked list. So first element is stored at 100. So 100 will be stored in this previous pointer. Now for traversing, count has been initialized to 1. Previous has been initialized to 100, first element. Now I will update the value of this previous here. How I will update here? Previous is equal to previous का next. Previous is equal to, so previous is equal to previous का next. Previous का next is 200. Previous is pointing to this. So previous is equal to previous का next. So this needs to be done now. So I will write here 200, update the value of this previous and also update the value of this count now. Now let me check the terminating condition. 2 value of count is 2 here. 2 should be less than position minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So thus the condition is satisfied. I am still in the loop. Again I will update the value of previous here. So previous का next is 300. So this value is updated, previous value is updated. Now this is equal to 300 now. Value of position has been updated. Value of count has been updated to 3. Again I will check for the condition. Value of count is 3. 3 should be less than position minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So now the condition is not satisfied. Terminating condition is not satisfied. So I am out of the loop now. That means I have come to the node where I want to insert the new node. That means I have come to the position where I want to insert the new node. So after coming to the required position, where desired position where I want to insert this new node, I will do the linking part now. So for doing the linking part, now basically I need to modify 4 pointers here. First is, just 1 minute. First pointer is new node previous, new node next, new node previous, new node next, right? So there are 2 more pointers I need to update here. I need to update this pointer and I need to update this pointer. And how will I get these pointers? This is this pointer is previous. Currently previous is pointing to this, so I will write here previous का next, right? So previous का next is this pointer. And what is this pointer? How will I get this pointer? Previous का next, previous का next का previous. So previous का next का previous. So now these 4 pointers, they need to be updated now. First I will update the new node का next. First I will update the pointers of the new node here. So new node next should have the value of the next node, that is 400 here, right? So this 400, how will I get this? This is equal to previous का next. This 400 is stored at previous का next, right? So I will write here new node का next is equal to, this is equal to previous का next, right? So after updating this pointer, if I write here 400 now, that means this link is created now, right? And this link is created now. So next is I need to, this link is created. Now I basically want this link should also be created. To create this link, that means I need to update this pointer. So this pointer is previous का next is this, next का previous. So previous का next का previous. So this is equal to address of the new node. So I will write here new node. So this will have the value now 1000. So this link is created. So now this link is created and this link is created, right? Now comes the turn of this pointer. This is new node का previous, So new node का previous should have the new node का previous should have the memory address of the previous node here. This pointer needs to be updated. That means कि new node का previous. So new node का previous is equal to new node का previous. So new node का previous is equal to previous. This is equal to 300 and 300 is stored at previous. So I will write here new node का previous is equal to previous, right? So once I write here, it will be equal to 300 here. So once I write 300 here, this link will be created, right? So now I have to, this link is deleted now. I have to only one link that needs to be updated is previous ka next. This needs to be updated now. So let me erase it now. Previous ka next. So previous ka next should have the memory address of the new node here. So I will write here previous ka next is equal to new node. So new node is 1000 here. So 1000 has been written here, right? So all these 4 pointers are updated. New node का previous, new node का previous part, new node का previous, then previous new node का previous has been done, then previous का next का previous, this has been done, then pre of next, pre का next, this is updated. So all these 4 pointers are updated now. So once these 4 pointers are updated, this element is now inserted in this linked list. So that was all regarding the insertion at the middle of the doubly linked list.